guys, welcome back to the channel. This is your friend Harshad, and today we are going to see how we are going to make our own DIY radio antenna and wiper blades with very inexpensive materials lying around in our households, right? So as you can see, like this particular beautiful $69 charger doesn't have wiper blades, nor it has the radio antenna over here, right? So we are going to make sure that we have the radio antenna and the wiper blades at the end of the video. So we are going to use very inexpensive stuff lying around in the household. So for that, first thing, important thing we need is paper clip with a plastic casing on it. That's very important to have the plastic casing. I'll tell you why. So I have two pieces of it at the moment. I'll tell you, and two paper clips for. I'm going to show you both the things. So the antenna making and the wiper blade making, both the things today. Okay. You need pliers. One, this is for bending, and this is for cutting. Okay, you can see. And this one to make holes or widening the existing holes. I don't expect you to make any holes, but just widen the existing ones. Okay, and let me do one thing quickly. One of the gentlemen wants to see me do it. I'll just keep him here, right? All right, so jokes apart. So let me show you how the pre-existing antenna and wiper blade looks like. So here I have two styles. One is having a small bit of plastic casing on it. Very simple stuff. Oh, I forgot one thing. You do need this tool. So it's a little ugly looking thing, but it's for making the edges smooth, so that if at all you don't want to hurt yourself with sharp edges, right? So it's important. So let me quickly show you how it looks. So I'm going to put this one over here. So I did drill a hole here because that plastic thing broke off the antenna. So I had that part over there, so I just drilled a hole there. Okay, so you can see the antenna looks good. This is one style, and the second style is without the plastic casing. It's up to you, your personal preference. This is the second one. I like both. I don't have any. Maybe I like this one better. The second is this. So this is already done. I'm just going to place it here. And the second one is here. Okay, so you get the idea. Right? So let me show you. Okay. So let me show you a close-up view of the stuff. So it looks pretty good, I would say. Not perfect, obviously, but just with a few paper clips, the result is pretty good. Now let's jump on to how we make it, right? So it doesn't take a lot of time, honestly. I'll just remove this part, and I'll quickly show you how to make an antenna first. So this is small. I'll just need to cut the length you want, so I'll just cut it. One, two. So it's a little short, but this is just for demonstration purpose. And I do have one more thing I forgot to mention. This one, this is just for the purpose of getting the paper plastic casing out. So I have got the plastic casing out. I will just remove the other side also. Okay, so we have removed the plastic casing, and all you need to do is place it here, and your antenna is ready, right? It took how much? Less than a minute to make an antenna. And you can just remove the plastic casing in case you don't like that style, right? Just keep it completely plain like this. Remove it completely, and then this style is, if you like this style, there you go. Looks very good in my opinion. Alright, now let's quickly jump on to how do we make a wiper blade. That is something which I was trying to find on the internet, but I couldn't find, so I had to come up with my own style of making. So again, you need a paper clip, right? And you just cut it to the length you want. This is the length you need, a little bit longer side, so take the longer side. Okay, so I'm going to show you 2 steps. Okay, so the first step is, now that you have this, just take this plier and take a very small part of it, okay, this much, and bend it 45 degrees. Okay, now if you're not very confident, then you can just use this and place it like that. Okay, so now we have, so this is one style, you know, if you're not, you can see both the styles. Obviously the second style is a little bit better, right? So if you're happy with this style, you can just stop here and you're done, right? But we are not going to stop here. Okay, now we need to make sure that we bend this. Okay, so take this and you need to bend it. So imagine this is on your wiper, and then you need it to slightly bend like that. Okay, so you see how it looks. You have to put it like this. I'll just remove this small plastic casing, this small casing over here, and just get rid of it so that the placement is smoother. Okay, this is one thing. Now it goes easily, and that's how it looks. Now it's not staying like this, right? Obviously it's not staying there, so you need to glue it down with the Gorilla Glue. So when you're gluing it down, make sure that the desired angle you have, just put a small tape here so that it stays like this when you are going to glue it down, and that's it. So here we have, the wiper is ready. One more thing I forgot to tell you is, you have option of removing the casing from this side also, which I have done here, right? Or you can keep the casing if you are comfortable with it. Both options are fine in my opinion. This is how it looks. And if your windshield is a little bit, you know, having a shape, you might just have to align that particular piece with that, you know, the shape, and it will look perfect. There you go. So with this technique, you were able to see how we created the wiper blades and the radio antennas in like 5 to 7 minutes with very minimum effort, right? So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'm going to post many such DIY projects, finding the wiper blades and radio antennas. Ordering online, it's expensive, it takes time for shipping and all that. So why to wait for ready-made parts when you can make your own parts, right? So this is what I did. I'm fairly satisfied. It's not perfect looking, but you know what, I'll take that wiper blade and radio antenna anytime than the model not having them at all, right? So please let me know what do you think about this technique, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.